Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's tie wonderful head wrap. Now, look at this. Watch. Please stop tying your head wrap like this, like all those great grandma. Look at it. Why would somebody tie head wrap like this in these modern days? Please, oh, I beg, oh. Come, let's learn head wrap together. Don't tie it like this, please. I beg you, don't tie it like this. All right, so this is the way we are going to go, and we achieve a very beautiful head wrap. We are still going to use that same process, then achieve very beautiful head wrap. So placing it on your head this way, the division is 50-50, making sure that it's equal. All right, so place it on your head this way. We're going to take some plates. Yes, because of my hairdo, I am going to pleat all the material. Yes, I'm going to pleat it all. I'm not going to cover the back. If I'm covering the back, I will just take 2 or 3 pleats. If pleating is still your problem, you can go ahead and tie it straight without pleats. The choice is yours. You can either plait it or you can tie it like that, but make sure it's very flat on your head before you turn it from the back. All right, as you can see, I'm still taking the pleats. I'm going to do that until I exhaust what I have there. Here you see now, because of the hairdo, I don't want to cover the back, so you can see I have exhausted the fabric. Now I'm going to arrange the plates. Arrange the plate line by line. All right, arrange the plates line by line. If not for the tutorial, I'm just taking my time to explain it in detail so that you watching me now will be able to understand it, practice it, and be able to tie it all by yourself. What we are doing here is operation do it by yourself, DIY. You're not tying it on any model held. Nobody is holding anything for you. So you're going to do all the tying all by yourself. All right, so I'm still arranging the plate this other side now. I'm done arranging the plates, then making sure it's same. I took everything to the back and then cross it. Just simple crossing. The one that is on the left come to the right. The one that is on the right will come to the left. Very simple, very easy. You can see it's still the same process. That one I tie like a Nembochi. But just that towards the end, you don't know what to do. So covering it now, because the fabric I'm using is very outstanding from the wrong side. Then I twist. Don't twist this way, twist inside. The more you twist inside, the more the base of the head wrap becomes very firm. Okay, watch closely. I cover it now so that if I twist, the wrong side will not show. All right, so I continue the twist this way. I continue the twist this way, raising it up like this. I will knot it. Pay close attention to my hand now. I will knot it just once. Once. Very easy head wrap. Knot it once. Now, I'm going to open or stretch out these excesses. Watch now. I stretch it out, making sure the wrong side is not facing the front. Then what am I going to do next? I will flip it to the back and fold it this way. If you want it to be high, don't fold it too much. If you want it to be small, then keep on folding it until you get the desired height that you want. I don't actually want it to be too small, and I don't want it to be too high either. All right, so doing the same thing this other side now. I stretch it out, then fold it, taking it to the back this way. You see what I'm doing here now? Then I'm going to merge 2 of them together with just office pin. Oh, just office pin. So merging 2 of them this way. All right, I hope you're seeing what I'm doing clearly. So bringing the 2 of them together like this, together this way. Then pick your office pin and fasten two of them together. This head wrap is very easy, very simple. If you pay attention, you will get it. All right, so taking it all the way from up now, I'll bring that flap down and then pin it to the back. Use your office pin and pin it. I hope you're seeing what I am doing. Just use your office pin and pin it to the back anywhere it gets to. Just pin it and make sure it's very, very firm. Now this other side now, I'm still going to do the same. Taking this flap now to the back, anywhere it gets to, use your office pin and hold it there. Then we are done tying. What is left now is for you to arrange the head wrap until you get the desired shape and size that you want. All right, so if you have watched to this point now, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. You can see. All right, so please do well to drop your like. Don't just watch and walk away now. Or are you among my village people? Please don't join village people. All right, so you keep adjusting it anywhere that needs pin. You take your office pin and put it together. Keep adjusting it anywhere that you feel like is not strong enough, is not okay, that you need pin. You use your office pin. Most of the time you use your discretion in tying a drum. Use the office pin and make sure you get it well done. All right, so as I said before, please don't watch and walk away. Drop your like and your comment. Subscribe to my channel. Let us learn beautiful modern head wrap all together. And here we are learning to the point that you will learn how to do it all by yourself. Nobody is helping you to do it. So if your head wrap artist or whatever they are calling it disappoints you, or more, you go ahead and tie something beautiful on your head without waiting for anybody. All right, and you spend less money tying head wrap with money. All right, so please don't forget to drop your like, drop your comments. Please, above all, practice and also share my video. If actually you're learning and benefiting from this channel, please share my video to your family and friends. Let them also benefit from it. So I welcome you all, my wonderful, beautiful subscribers, both new and old ones. Kudos to you all. Thanks, thanks, thanks for helping me to stay tuned in this channel. So please keep watching. I'll be happy to see you in my next video. All right, so we continue. You can see, just continue arranging it, pinning it, arranging and pinning until you get what you want. All right, so that is it. You can see the beautiful, elegant head wrap is getting ready. Keep arranging, keep arranging, keep arranging. So I think we have gotten there. Beautiful, elegant, cute. So that is what the back look like, the side, the front. Yes, you can see we are beautifully and elegantly ready to rock the party. So dance and dance and dance and dance. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's learn together. See you in my next video. Bye.